Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI. My husband and I love wearing our baby, and the Infantino 4-in-1 makes that so much easier. I personally love wearing him in wraps, but for my husband, that's a little more difficult. So he prefers using this baby carrier. It is so convenient, very lightweight, and easy to use. The fabric material is really nice. It's like a denim type of material, and it's really soft. It has some filling to make it comfortable for the baby and for you, and there are some adjustments you can make to make this baby carrier grow with the baby so you can get a lot of use out of it. I especially love how you can adjust it to support the baby's head and neck when they're so small like this, and you can also adjust the settings to make it fit almost any size person. So if you're looking for a baby carrier that's so simple to use and it's gonna allow you to be hands-free to get things done around the house, that is very comfortable, not just for you, but also for your baby, definitely check out the Infantino 4-in-1 baby carrier. You're gonna love it and get plenty of use out of it. And that's my point of view.